Hello everybody, this is Sangeeta and welcome to my channel Saayujyam the Art Zone. I hope you saw my last video on how to start practicing design drawing. I have provided the link in the description box for those who have not seen. Now moving ahead, today we will be seeing how to make outlines of small motifs. This is a way of training your hands to draw the curves of a design in a flow and flawlessly. Before getting started, I would suggest few points to keep in mind while drawing. Always draw without lifting your pencil up, at least till a single curve is finished. Do not bother about the shape, it will improve with practice. This will also give you an idea of proportion of a particular drawing to be drawn on a given space. Also start with small designs and increase the size gradually with detailing. We can begin by drawing some lines and curves first. As I said, try drawing with a single stroke. Now we will start drawing some shapes that are often used to create designs. Just be confident to try out different patterns that comes in your mind or sight without any hesitation. I have darkened it by redrawing over it, and this is how it will look. That's all from me in this video. Please do like and share this video if you found it useful. Also, those who have not subscribed, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notifications of my new videos. I will come up with more on design drawing in the next video. Till then, keep practicing, take care, and bye-bye.